So you utilize diagram application for different purposes, and for different purposes you can select out different themes as well and use them. So right now this is the default theme, and if you want to change this out, then you can go around over here onto let's say onto extras and then go on to themes right here, and you can see default right here. If I were to select sketch, which is meant for sketching out, then you can see that it says I have to restart out the application, which just popped up. So I'm just going to go around and close this and open up the diagrams.net application again. So I'm just going to go around and open up an existing diagram right here, that is test.draw.io, and you can see that it is more for sketch now. So you got these sketch tools right here, which allows you to go around and sketch right here, bring in arrows, bring in, let's say for example, circles right here, just like this, and you can bring in different shapes like related to notes and so forth, as you can see, just like this. And you got like different shapes right here that you can bring in. And this is an entirely different user interface, as you can see right here. Plus you got the freehand brush right here. Similarly, I can go around over here onto let's say theme and change it to minimal. And let me just go around and close this and discard the changes, open up the application again. So let me just go around over here and open out existing diagram, and let's just go around and select out test.draw.io right here. So once you do that, you can see that this is the minimal view right here. You got all of the menus, but it is more minimal right here, where there is more drawing areas. So let me just go around onto theme again and select out Atlas right here and press OK and close this out and open up the drawing application again. So let me just go around over here and open out existing diagram right here and select out test.draw.io right here, and you can see that this is the other theme that I selected. It entirely gives a different look to the application, as you can see right here. Similarly, you can go around over here onto extras, onto theme, and go for automatic. So once you do that, it'll automatically choose out a theme for you right here and then apply that out. So if I were to go around over here and on to let's say draw.io, then you can see that it gets back onto the default theme right here. So you can just go around, select default itself, and then restart again, and then it'll get to default. But since I am in the default itself, I can just continue working around just like this. So that is how you can choose out the theme that you want to work with inside of diagrams.net. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.